Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top health news. Government efforts reduce TB incidents by 16%, lower death rates by 18%, Anupriya Patel. Efforts led by the government to curb tuberculosis in India has led to a 16% decline in incidences, while deaths have been lowered by 18%, said Anupriya Patel, Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare. While India has committed to eliminate TB by 2025, 5 years ahead of the global target of 2030, the country is currently facing a large burden of the most infectious disease. The disease causes an alarming 2.6 million annual cases in the country. According to the World Health Organization, India represents 27% of the global TB burden, the highest. Patel called for collective efforts to fight the challenges to eliminate the infectious disease in the country. India bears a significant burden of tuberculosis, and overcoming the challenges to eliminate TB requires collective effort, she said. While speaking at an event by Medanta Hospital to celebrate the completion of 10 years of its Mission TB Free initiative, the pioneering public health campaign has revolutionized TB detection and treatment across Haryana and beyond. To fight TB in the country, Patel informed that the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare worked tirelessly, driving key initiatives like the Nikshay Poshan Yojana and expanding diagnostic facilities, leading to a 16% decline in TB incidents and an 18% decline in TB deaths. However, the goal of TB elimination can only be achieved through continued collaborations, innovative diagnostics, and community level interventions. Let's join hands to make TB Harega Desh Jeetega a reality, she added. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.